Psalm 18:6. In my distress I called upon the Lord, and cried unto my God. He heard my voice out of his temple, and my cry came before him, even into his ears. Even in your deepest distress, sickness, or storm, or when your heart feels overwhelmed, God hears you. The cry of your heart and your tears does not go unnoticed. It reaches his very ears in his holy temple. This verse reminds us that our prayers matter. Our voice is known to him, and he responds with the strength, encouragement, and comfort that only our Father God can give. Keep trusting in him.